In the following question related to atomic structure, we need to complete the following table. So the first element is given, sodium, with 11 protons, and 23 is the atomic mass that's given. The nucleon number is given as 23. So we need to find the number of neutrons. The number of neutrons are found when the atomic mass is subtracted from the atomic number, which is going to be 23 minus 11, which would give me 12 neutrons. The next part is, you're given a chlorine atom, 17, and 37 is the atomic mass, but it has a -1 charge. Now 17, the bottom number, the atomic number, is also the proton number, so that means it has a total of 17 protons. But since it has a -1 charge, the electrons are going to be greater than 17. They're going to be 18 electrons because the charge is -1, which means that it has gained 1 electron. And I also need to quote the number of nucleons. The number of nucleons are this top number, the bigger number. This is the atomic mass or the nucleon number. It's 37. The nucleon number is protons plus the neutrons. So in this case, it's going to be 37 nucleons. Finally, we have another element. Everything is provided 26 and 56 is given. 26 is the proton number. So if we go and look at the periodic table, remember elements are identified according to their proton or atomic number 26. So let's open the periodic table. Now here I've opened the periodic table and you can see that at 26 protons we have iron. So the symbol of the element is going to be Fe. So let's go back. So the symbol is Fe. And it has 26 protons, but over here you would notice that the electrons that are given are 24, which means that it is 2 less. 26 protons, 24 electrons, which means that it has lost 2 electrons. So if it has lost 2 electrons, the charge on the Fe would be +2.